Hey guys, I'm doing 30 Halloween looks, and right now I'm doing the Stitch doll look. Right now I'm drawing a line in the center of my face to make the stitches. Well, not the stitches, but just where the stitches are going to be. Now I'm going to do it right aside my mouth. By the way, these are very easy to do.
I see a figure behind the wall.
After that, I'm going to do it along my neck. And after, now I'm going to take this pen and I'm going to go ahead and draw my dots along my face so the stitches can go ahead and connect. But first I'm going to go over the pencil with this pen. Now I am kind of trying to do a shading look. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video and follow me on Facebook, TikTok, and IG.
I didn't see this as a threat, so he screamed at me and threw my blanket. I don't want to play alone.
Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and do my dots.
I'm so afraid he's going to fall.
I have to do dots on each side of the line, so they have to be right across from each other. This is where the stitches are going to connect from. They're just little tiny dots, and they're going to be around my face. Now I'm going to do the dots on the tip of my nose, and now I'm going to do the dots on the side of my mouth where I just did the line right there. I'm going to fill in those dots on the top a little bit. Right now, I'm just drawing more dots, and then after this, I am going to draw these dots on my neck.
Please come and play with me. I am so lonely. You're not afraid of the dark, are you?
While you're drawing these dots, make sure you have a mirror in front of you because these dots are a little hard to draw.
Do you want to play hide and seek?
Right now, I'm squirting out my white paint, and I'm going to go ahead and draw my stitching.
I know things no one knows.
This is a very easy thing to do. You're just going to draw your stitching.
Help me. I'm begging you.
As you can see, sometimes you can get it messy, but just keep practicing. You probably can get it right by Halloween. So I'm doing my X, and make sure you curve the lines too so they kind of look like real stitching. Now I'm going to do the rest just like regular lines. I'm not doing the X's anymore, and then you do all the stitching around your face. After that, you might want to go over with some more white to touch it up a little bit. This is a very easy thing to do. This is probably the easiest step yet, just covering it over and making sure everything is covered. Now I'm kind of doing the ones on my neck a little bit wider because they're not filled in all the way. Now after that, just doing some more, making sure it is a little bit more covered in. Now I'm going to go ahead and keep doing that. After that, I'm going to put on this red lipstick, like on the bottoms of my lip a little bit. And I also have brown lipstick on my lips. And this is the finished look with some bows. And I look like a doll now. Bye!